Hello beautiful people, I'm 𝐿TS Speaking there. Welcome to IELTS Speaking Tips Part 2. So today we're going to talk about some more tips that we should be following for our IELTS speaking test. So let's start with explain foreign words. So basically there are some of the words that actually do not have exact English word for. Like if you like fuchka, basically fuchka is a Bengali street food. So maybe they don't know about it. That is a foreign word for them. So you don't say, I love fuchka. Fuchka is my favorite food or street food. You cannot say that because they won't be getting any of the sentences after using that. So you are supposed to be explaining that. What is fuchka? So basically, I love fuchka, which is, then explain it. What is that? That is a street food from Bangladesh that is spicy. It has spice in it. It is sour. It is sweet. It is flavorful. So describe it. What is it? How does it look? Is it square or is it round? Explain that. Whatever you say, explain that. So it is applicable for any word that is foreign. It can be a place. Don't just say the name of the place if that is in your own language. Just explain it. Say where is it. Say the exact location, east, west, or north. Just mention some of the information with your answer so that the examiner gets a clear idea about your answer. Next, speak up or speak clearly. You cannot speak in a very low volume because the examiner is not going to be telling you again and again that speak up, speak up. No, they won't be telling you that. So what you need to do is you have to, and obviously don't shout please. So you have to maintain a very proper volume of your speech. Speak up, speak natural, but do not speak very loud or very low. And obviously speak clearly. 3. Maintain timing. This is actually for part 2, which is cue card, because in this session you are supposed to talk for 2 minutes on any topic. So if you are exceeding that 2 to 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes, that's going to be a trouble. And if you are finishing your whole speech in 1 minute, that's going to be a trouble as well. So make sure you prepare yourself before the exam. Use stopwatch. You can talk in front of the mirror and watch your watch and practice. And then avoid slangs. Obviously you cannot use slangs in your speaking test, not even the very casual words. Try to be a bit formal while choosing your words. Avoid slangs. Do not do that. Try to be polite and a bit formal. Do not memorize. You cannot memorize your answer because if you memorize anything, you have a chance to forget those. So be very natural. You can practice at home. You can generate ideas in different ways. You can increase your logics, your flow of speaking, but if you memorize, you are going to forget. And when you forget, you lose your confidence, you'll be nervous, and that's a trouble. So avoid memorizing answers. You cannot do that. Next, do not write full sentence. Okay, so this one is especially for part 2. In your cue card session, the examiner will give you a question paper and a piece of paper and pen or pencil to write down the points or keywords that you want to mention in your speech. So suppose the question says, which is your favorite restaurant? So you are not supposed to write, my favorite restaurant is KFC or whatever that is. No, you cannot do that. Just write KFC. Just the point, the main point. So the paper is to help you with the information that you want to mention in your speech. The words or the facts that you don't want to avoid while speaking. That's all. You cannot memorize those. You cannot write the full sentences. If you do that, the most horrible, horrifying thing you're going to be doing is you are going to be reading out loud the whole sentence. That's all for today's video. We'll be back with another IELTS tips video. Till then, take care and keep practicing.